Let me give you a scenario. You're injured in a car wreck. It wasn't your fault. The person that hit you admitted that he wasn't paying attention and was talking on his cell phone when he rear-ended your car. It looks like your vehicle may be a total loss, but you aren't sure. And you have medical bills, not only from the ambulance ride to the hospital, but also with the doctor that examined you there. And you need continuing medical treatment. But you either don't have health insurance or you don't have the money for copays. What do? Well, you hire a lawyer that specializes in personal injury claims. But how do you find the right lawyer to help you with your case? Well, this is a very important question because you have a lot at stake. Let me give you the top 5 things to consider when hiring a law firm. 1, does the attorney specialize in your area of the law? If you're hurt in a car wreck, you don't want to hire an attorney that mainly handles divorce cases or DUI cases. In my opinion, the days of an attorney handling all legal matters, from divorces to real estate closings to auto accident claims, are long gone. You've heard the old expression, jack of all trades, master of none. Well, I firmly believe this. Laws constantly change. It's very difficult, if not impossible, for an attorney to keep current on the latest happenings in every legal arena. Attorneys can claim that they specialize in a certain area of the law, but let me encourage you to check out his or her website. If the website tells you the attorney also handles bankruptcy cases or criminal defense matters or collection defense claims, then there's a good chance that they have not handled or do not handle a lot of cases for car wreck victims. Number 2, is the attorney recognized in your field as an expert by other attorneys? What awards or honors has the attorney received? Does the attorney teach continuing education courses for other lawyers? And 3, experience. Find out how long the attorney has been practicing law and how many cases the attorney has handled just like yours. You don't want your case to be the attorney's first. For example, since 1993, my firm has helped over 38,000 injured victims and their families in personal injury claims. Number 4, is the attorney licensed to practice law in Georgia? Believe it or not, there are attorneys you see on TV or you hear on the radio that do not even have a license to practice law in Georgia. I really feel that they are misleading the public when they don't say that in their ads. You have to look at the small little disclaimer at the bottom to find out. Number 5, will you get to meet with the attorney in the TV ad? Two things to point out about this. Some of the attorneys you see on TV or hear on the radio claim to be working for the citizens of Georgia, but they don't even live in the state. That's right, they may live in Birmingham, Alabama, or Orlando, Florida. And 2, some of these attorneys are rarely in the office. You don't get a chance to meet with them personally to discuss your claim. Now think about that for a moment. Your world has been thrown upside down because of the car wreck. You have significant injuries, medical bills, and a need for continuing medical treatment. The bills keep coming in, but the paychecks have stopped because you're not working. So with all these problems, don't you think it's important to actually meet the attorney that is making you all these promises? Well, I do. And that's why my clients get to meet with me in my office to discuss the facts of their claim. We talk about their rights and the insurance company's responsibilities. By the way, I live here. Georgia is my home. It's where my kids go to school. My family goes to church. And I do have a license to practice law in Georgia. Now, if you can't speak with the other attorneys or even meet with them, then ask yourself, is this really a lawyer you can trust to handle your claim when they won't even take the time to talk with you? If you'd like to speak with me about your claim, just pick up the phone right now and give me a call at 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. The consultation is free, it is completely confidential, and there is no obligation. And let me encourage you to go to my website. It's GaryMartinHayes.com to learn more about me and my law firm. The website is packed with all kinds of important information about personal injury law in Georgia. We are experts in personal injury. That is all we do. So let us put our experience to work for you. Again, you have nothing to risk, everything to gain. Go to GaryMartinHayes.com or give me a call right now, 1-800-WIN-WIN-1. Thank you for watching this video on personal injury claims under Georgia law. For more information like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you want to watch more videos on personal injury, just click on one of the videos here on the screen.